All right, the next story happens to be right where we were camping. We were looking at kind of a nondescript little creek, and I started to see some fish rise, right? The plan wasn't to fish this because it just didn't look like much, right? Or looked like it would hold much. But we stepped out, and this is on private land. It was a friend of mine that referred me to this spot. Great little safe camping spot is what I was looking for, so no one would break into our stuff when we were gone. So I got out the fly rod, and I immediately got broken off. And I thought, you know, that didn't feel like the bottom. That felt like something came up and just smashed it. I was using 3X tippet, so I knew it had to have been something big. So I made another cast, and what I got into was so unexpected for the size of little creek that we were fishing. It was unbelievable. So, something in there big enough to break me off. Oh, what's that? Is that a fish? Oh my God. Kobe! Oh! Big fish! Oh my God. Oh, there he goes. Oh, gotta be careful. Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. Kobe, this thing's like 18, 19 inches. Oh my God. Oh my God, this thing is huge. Holy shit. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. Look at the size of this fish. Holy shit. Oh my God. This thing is 4 pounds. Oh, come on. Come on, behave. Oh, he ate it. Holy shit, look at the size of this thing. Oh my God. I mean, fish on. Fish on. Oh my God. Oh my God.